Yeah, I'm vlogging again. So, another ship. P&O has actually hired Emma and I together as a duo on the ships. So this is the Pacific Dawn. We're gonna be going on a bunch of other ships as well. And yeah, there it is right there. So let's do it. Let's get on the ship. We are on the Pacific Dawn and sailing away from Brisbane. All right, so now that we've had inductions and this is really echoey in here. Echo! Actually, this is cool. They got murals everywhere too. Come on in. We're heading up to the top and we're gonna see the sail away from Brisbane, which is
What time does the ship leave port?
2 o'clock. It's supposed
2 o'clock.
to be so
Oh,
now.
2 o'clock.
It's 2:30 now.
We've got your entertainment team, we've got your production cars, there's bars everywhere, and if you're feeling like a little circus performer, come and join Emma and have a go on the hula hoops. It's a lot of fun. Oh, hello. Now welcome on board the Pacific Dawn!
So this was a new one for me, bringing a bunch of hoops on board and giving people a chance to try it out. And it was a great time.
the sail away on the Dawn was well put together and a lot of fun. And it's really cool to sail under Gateway Bridge. It's so surreal and seems like such a tight squeeze. But now we are on our way to the Pacific Islands. Alright, so I just wanted to have a chat because it's a lot of go, 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 and I don't really have time to just talk about cool things that are happening. I got a letter in the mail, and it's really funny. It says it's from Santa Claus. 4 months ago, I was in Banff, and I saw this little letter to Santa Claus, and I said, watch my video on YouTube, and Santa Claus wrote back and said all that nice stuff right there. That was really cool. So I've been watching, and I finally passed over 2,500 subscribers. 500 and 1,000, I did like an Eminem video to kind of show that off, but I'm not doing it at 2,500, I'm gonna do it at 5,000. That's a lot of M&Ms. But it's been great watching it grow, and I know that you guys are supporting me, so thank you so much for doing that. Now, like any other creators that are out there, you know sometimes it's better to have a schedule, so I really want to try to work on a good like upload schedule. I'm not one to be like, hey, this is the plan, because it's really hard for a creator to say that and then stick to it. But at the same time, it kind of gives me a little bit of a guideline to go by, so it's not just all random. I can be a little bit more consistent. I also have some great ideas and things that are coming out for music, and you'll be seeing that. But for now, I'm on the Dawn, Emma's on with me, and we're having fun. So, peace out! On this cruise, we go to places like Noumea. Alright, so we're sailing into Noumea. I mean, like, literally, Noumea's right here. Lifu. And Port Vila.
And we would love to show you more details on these ports in the future.
But this is how it is. This is my job. Might seem tough. This is insane. But somebody's got to do it. And also making sure to take in all the shows and comedians, theme nights, and watching Emma do her thing.
And this is my job.
And they did love her on board. This is the first of many ships together, and I guess you could say it's a start to a new journey. Anytime we do stuff with hoops, I always have to mask my identity. I'm the Panda Man now. Thanks for all the support, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll try and keep the videos coming along.
And check out my channel if you want to see more hula hooping videos.
Also check out this video if you want to see more.